Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. It is your girl Precious RGK, and today I'll be teaching you how to make an effective hair growth hair cream. The name of this channel is Precious RGK Tips. This hair cream will make your hair to grow longer, thicker and fuller. It will also moisturize your hair, condition your hair, add shine to your hair, repair damaged scalp. This hair cream is good. So to prepare this hair cream, all we need is first ingredient is our aloe vera. I just go about cultivate my aloe vera from the farm and I wash it. After washing it, I use a dry towel to dry up the water. And after that, I begin to remove the sharp edge, which you can see me doing on this video. I did not video when I was cultivating it because I did not want the video to be too long. So this is me removing the sharp edge from my aloe vera, as you can see me doing on this video. And when I'm done removing it, I'll begin to cut it into pieces, as you can. Yes, so I'm cutting my aloe vera into pieces because I'm going to blend it. Aloe vera is very good for the hair. Aloe vera condition your hair, repair your damaged scalp, prevent your hair from breaking, make your hair to grow longer, thicker and fuller. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. And also, if you are a return subscriber, thank you very much. Please watch this video to the end and don't forget to like this video, as it will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people, thereby giving me more subscribers. So our second ingredient is our avocados pear. This is our avocados pear. I just bought my avocados from the market and I washed it. After washing it, I cut it into two. I'm using just one part of this avocados pear, guys. So I use spoon to scoop out the aloe vera, the avocados pear from the skin, from the peel. You can see me. And after that, I begin to use spoon to mash it. So after mashing it, I will now blend my pear. So you can see me pouring both my aloe vera and my pear in my blender, and I'll begin to blend it. Guys, another thing you add before blending it is you're going to add oil. Okay, so you can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, any oil of your choice. But me, I'm using extra virgin olive oil. So I'm using about 100 ml of my extra virgin olive oil. I just pour it inside my blender and I cover my blender, then I blend it. Here is me blending it. You blend so until you have a smooth consistency. When you notice everything is properly blended and it's smooth, then you can then off your blender and go to the next step. So at this point, I'm okay with the consistency. This is it. This is my aloe vera and my pear and my oil already blended. So I'll go in and pour it in my pan. Because it was very thick, so I have to use spoon to scoop it from my blender. And after scooping it, this is what we'll have. So at this point, I'm going to cook it. Guys, please, when cooking, cook it on a very low heat. I repeat, cook it on a very low heat so that you don't end up overcooking your ingredient. And also when cooking, you will stir continuously. I cooked this for about 20 minutes, and all through that 20 minutes I was stirring because I don't want no part of my ingredient to burn. So you're going to cook on a very low heat and you're going to stir. You will know you are done cooking it when you notice the oil has separated from your aloe vera and your pear. So you can see I'm still cooking it and I'm turning it. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Also, don't go without watching this video to the end and also liking this video, please. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you for supporting me. I won't be here producing video without you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Please watch this video to the end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your contacts. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. So this is me. You can see my oil has separated from my pear and my aloe vera. So this is my oil. This is my oil, and so this is my oil. So at this point I'm done cooking it. I'll just off it and allow it to cool. So I'll just off it, allow it to cool, then I'll start the next step. So you can see the oil has separated from the aloe vera and the pear. You can see it, and I did not allow it to get burnt. I didn't overcook it also. So the next stage is to sieve it. I'm going to sieve it using a cheesecloth. So you just pour it and sieve. Guys, when sieving, don't press it too hard so that the water, the water in the aloe vera or the pear will not come out. It's only the oil you need. Okay, so this is it. Watch how I'm doing it. It's just the oil. If you press it too hard, the water will begin to come out, so you don't have to press it too hard, just mildly, because what we need is just the oil. So you can see so this is the oil that we're going to use for our hair cream. And after this, I'll go into my next step. So here's a bowl, and these are my butter. Guys, you can use any butter that you have. You can use mango butter, shea butter, any butter at all. But for this video, I'm using just shea butter. So I'm using 2 spoons of my shea butter because I'm not making a large quantity. So this is my shea butter, and I'll go in and melt my shea butter. How do I melt my shea butter? I just boil hot water, pour it in a bowl or in a pan, anything. Then I carried my butter on top. Like it's like a double boiling method, but this time around I did not on the flame. I'm not on a flame, just hot water to melt it. So I'll keep stirring until it is properly melted, until it has properly melted. So this is, you can see my butter is gradually melting. Guys, once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video, watch this video to the end. So this is my butter and my oil, so I'll just mix everything together. So after mixing everything together, I begin to add my other, this is my tea tree oil, so I'm going to add about 2 to 3 drops of my tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil helps in growing your hair and also repair your damaged scalp. So I'll go into adding my menthol oil. I add about 2.5 ml of my menthol oil. And this is my lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is also very good for growing your hair, and it also make your hair not to be breaking. Then I'll go in and add my organic honey. I add about 5 ml of my organic honey. We all know that honey is very good for the hair. It make your hair to grow. It repair your damaged scalp. It's make your hair to stop breaking. It's add shine to your hair, moisturize your hair, condition your hair. So at this stage, I'll just pour my oil in my container where I will be freezing it. So these are all my oil and everything. So at this point, I'll just put it in my freezer or my fridge anywhere. And so this is it. This is our hair cream. I just brought it out from the freezer. I put it in fridge for like 10 minutes, and this is what we have. This is our hair cream. This hair cream will grow your hair, condition your hair, outshine to your hair, repair your damaged scalp, and what have you. So this is it. Just use it as a regular hair cream on your hair and you're good to go. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor to subscribe to my channel. Watch this video to the end. Like this video, share it to your content, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you for watching.